Hello everyone, welcome to Zenith Civils. If your target is 300 plus marks in sociology optional, you are in the right place. In day 1, we understood the emergence of sociology. In day 2, we studied the scope of sociology and compared it with other natural sciences. Today we will discuss one of the most conceptual and frequently tested topic, that is sociology and common sense. By the end of this class, you will have exam ready notes, PYQ based understanding, and a model answer framework that you can directly replicate into your mains exam. Students, do you think is poverty caused only by laziness? Most people may say yes. Then why are some communities poorer for generation despite working hard? This is where sociology begins. Sociology questions what common sense takes for granted. Common sense is based on personal experience, family beliefs, tradition, culture, popular opinion. For example, boys are naturally better leaders. Joint families are always happy. Educated people don't discriminate. But things are not what they seem. Sociology asks why, how, and under what conditions. For example, common sense people says that people are poor because they don't work, while sociology says that lack of education, caste, gender discrimination, land ownership, social exclusion, and public policy is the ground for the poverty in the society. So let's begin with our final crisp notes for this topic, sociology and common sense. इस टॉपिक पर यूपीएससी सोशियोलॉजी एग्जाम में सिर्फ एक ही कंसेप्ट पूछता है। आइदर वो पूछेगा कि सोशियोलॉजी एंड कॉमन सेंस में सिमिलैरिटीज क्या है, या पूछेगा उनमें डिफरेंसेस क्या है। एक बार उसने सोशियोलॉजिकल इमेजिनेशन को भी पूछा था, बट वो CW मिल्स की जो सोशियोलॉजिकल इमेजिनेशन थ्योरी है उसको हम थिंकर्स के टाइम एक बार देख लेंगे और उसका क्रिप्स नोट बना लेंगे। तो लेट्स बिगिन विद आवर टॉपिक sociology and common sense. So guys, let's begin with introduction. Firstly, we will introduce sociology, but sociology का introduction हम पहले भी दे चुके हैं, तो हम बार बार उसको रिपीट करके अपने मटेरियल को बल्कि नहीं बनाएंगे। देखिए यहाँ पर मैंने सोशियोलॉजी का इंट्रोडक्शन दिया हुआ है। सोशियोलॉजी इज अ सिस्टमैटिक एंड साइंटिफिक स्टडी ऑफ सोशल फैक्ट्स, द फैक्ट्स विच आर एक्सटर्नल टू इंडिविजुअल्स एंड आर एम्पिरिकली ऑब्जर्वेबल। तो अब हम डायरेक्टली क्या करते हैं, हम यहाँ पर कॉमन सेंस को डिफाइन कर देते हैं और सोशियोलॉजी की डेफिनेशन आप वहां से पिक कर लीजिएगा। कॉमन सेंस refers to everyday knowledge shaped by personal experiences, biases, and beliefs. Let's together work on similarities. As per complementarist, common sense and sociology are mutual supportive. Guidance, structuration arose from everyday interaction. Symbolic interactionist argued that social behavior is guided by meaning and everyday interaction or life as like greeting rituals. हम ग्रीट करते हैं ना तो वो उससे गाइड होता है हमारा सोशल बिहेवियर. As per fellow methodologist, society is formed through interactions such as workplace rules, understanding through everyday language. As per ethnomethodologists, social facts are constructed in conversations. Our last point, that is fifth point, starting point of sociology, sociological research is hypothesis, which itself is derived from common sense. So guys, these are our 5 points regarding any question related to similarity between sociology and common sense. Now let's move to differences. Common sense relies on personal beliefs, stereotypes, moralistic views, while sociology is based on empirically observable facts. Next point, common sense explains that reason for crime is morality, but sociology links deviance to unequal access to goals. Third point, common sense assumes that gender roles are neutral, while Mead's tribal study shows that behavior is shaped by culture. Fourth point, common sense sees marriage as neutral, while sociology studies role of class, religion during marriage. Our last point, that is fifth one, common sense trusts traditions, while sociology verify it as rain dance as social stratification. So guys, you can see these are the points of differences between sociology and common sense. Let's conclude the topic with common sense gives practical everyday guidance, whereas sociology offers scientific and structured understanding. Together, they both complement each other, enhancing practical as well as informed social analysis. So guys, these are our differences between sociology and common sense. If I make differences more crisp and clear, then you can directly write and generate your own points. Like differences is due to scientific versus personal, evidence versus belief, objective versus subjective, universal versus local, and research versus experience. So these can be 5 points for your differences also if you want to make differences more crisper. Okay guys. So let's conclude today's topic. Today's homework is differentiate between sociology and common sense. Second question, explain why sociology goes beyond common sense. And third question is, write one real life example where common sense and sociology leads to different conclusion. Post your answer in the comments or Telegram group. You can find the link of the Telegram group in the description of this video. Tomorrow we will begin with the new topic, that is sociology as science. If you are aiming for 300 plus marks in sociology optional, don't just watch the lecture, write answer daily. That's where marks are earned. Remember, reading one book 1,000 times is much more better than reading 1,000 book one time. So make your sources limited so that you can read them many a times. Thank you. See you in day 4 at Zenith Civils.